Electricity through wireless technology. Before taking on wireless electricity technology, here I want to discuss the person who was the founder of this electricity wireless technology. He was Nikola Tesla. He was born on 10th July 1856 and died on 7th January 1943 in USA. Tesla studied engineering and physics in the 1870s without receiving a degree, gaining practical experience in the early 1880s, working in telephony and at Continental Edison in the new electric power industry. In 1884, he immigrated to the United States where he became a nationalized citizen. 1890, a big achievement for Nikola Tesla. In the 1890s, he proved he could power light bulbs from more than 3 kilometers 2 miles away with a 42 meter, almost equal to 140 feet. New Zealand is a great country. New Zealand is a great country as it is famous in all over the world with its beautiful land and also have a great name in sport cricket, hockey, football, etc. In electricity field, New Zealand is the second largest industry to produce electricity in the world. So therefore, New Zealand adopts world's first commercial solution to transmit power wirelessly. Safely transmission power. New Zealand startup has developed a method to safely and wirelessly transmit electric power across long distance without the use of copper wire. The startup aimed to connect their technology to the grid. Great invention. A wide adoption of wireless power transmission was one of Nikola Tesla's dreams. But this New Zealand company may have finally convinced a major power distributor to go wireless in its commercial grid. The new startup can transfer large amount of electricity much more efficiently. Point-to-point transmission between any two points that can be joined with line of sight relays. The system uses a transmitting antenna, a series of relays and a receiving rectina. A rectina is a rectifying antenna capable of converting microwave energy into electricity, or a rectina is a rectifying antenna, a special type of receiving antenna that is used for converting electromagnetic energy into direct current electricity. Its beams use the non-ionizing band of the radio spectrum. Wireless electricity uses frequency, including frequencies commonly used in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The power current is beamed directly between specific points. No radiation is transmitted around the beam. A low power laser safety curtain immediately shuts down power transmission. Resistance in wireless electricity. Before any object like a bird or drone can touch the main beam, the power distributor used this new technology to deliver electricity in remote locations. It could also be used to keep the lights on for customers. When the company is doing maintenance on existing infrastructure, the prototype device will be capable of delivering only a few kilowatt of power, but it can easily be cleaned up and replicated. Technology mounted on a truck. The technology can also be mounted on a truck to create a temporary wireless power connection. Limited transmission. The distance of transmission is limited only by line of sight between each relay. The unique capability gives its potential of transmit power 1000 kilometers.